Hi kids! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, All Kids Stories. Today, we are going to learn some words that start with alphabet D. Are you ready? Let's go! D is for dog. D is for duck. D is for deer. D is for dolphin. D is for donkey. D is for dingo. D is for dragon. D is for dodo. D is for damselfish. D is for duckling. D is for dachshund. D is for Doberman. D is for dragonfly. D is for dinosaur. D is for dragonfish. D is for doctor. D is for dentist. D is for driver. D is for detective. D is for dancer. D is for dispatcher. D is for decorator. D is for director. D is for digits. D is for diaphragm. D is for dress. D is for duffel bag. D is for denim. D is for dizzy. D is for dry. D is for diamond. D is for daddy. D is for daughter. D is for dad. D is for day. D is for donut. D is for dates. D is for dumpling. D is for dosa. D is for dragon fruit. D is for dewberry. D is for durian fruit. D is for dairy. D is for diner. D is for dill. D is for dosage. D is for delicious. D is for drum. D is for desk. D is for door. D is for doll. D is for dice. dice. D is for dustbin. D is for dish. D is for drill. D is for dishwasher. D is for duck. D is for disc. D is for dryer. D is for doormat. D is for dockyard. D is for display. D is for database. D is for document. D is for diode. D is for drawing. D is for doorbell. D is for dance. D is for dive. D is for draw. D is for drop. D is for daydream. D is for doodle. D is for design. D is for debate. D is for discover. D is for decide. D is for describe. D is for darkness. D is for dune. D is for driftwood. D is for desert. D is for dimension. D is for diameter. D is for density. D is for diffusion. D is for danger. D is for damage. D is for dimples. D is for drink. D is for drone. D is for dip. D is for dump truck. D is for dinghy. D is for dig. D is for dam. D is for decoration. D is for develop. D is for divorce. D is for disturb. D is for duration. D is for defend. D is for detail. D is for demand. D is for dot. D is for diagnosis. D is for digital. D is for data. D is for deal. D is for debt. D is for debit card. D is for deposit. D is for distribution. D is for duty. D is for dull. D is for dime. D is for delight. D is for DNA. D is for dismantle. D is for deliver. D is for disease. D is for drawer. D is for diaper. D is for dart. D is for dashboard. D is for dungeon. D is for dust. D is for dovebird. D is for dream. D is for drainage. D is for drumstick. Great job, kids! You did an amazing job learning all these words that start with alphabet D. Don't forget to press like button to this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next video, keep learning all these words. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.